Hey, what's up everybody? It is Tim with Means Bees. We out at the bee yard. It is March 31st and it's about 50 degrees today. And as you can see in the landscape, still it's greening up, but it ain't green yet, that's for sure. But look here at what we got here and all of the pollen that these bees are finding that they're bringing in here to where I knew it was going to be nice today. And so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go out and see my girls and see how everything's going. So I'm gonna pause this here real quick and get set up. And we're gonna open, this is the lazy hive. This is the hive I said would never ever make it. If I was gonna lose one, this was the hive I was gonna lose, and this is by far gotta be my strongest one. So I'm gonna pause this real quick and jump in here, and we're gonna make a video. Right, listen, the other day, and so I got my bee suit on because these girls been a little cranky lately, but the other day I got up and man, I jumped on YouTube because I love making these YouTube videos, and I had an alert, and Mr. and Jeff Horchoff from Louisiana, who I follow like crazy, who's been catching swarms so much, he makes me crazy down there because those guys are so much more ahead of us. Because of their warmth down there, that he's been catching swarms like crazy. I seen him the other day, got 2 out of the same tree. I couldn't believe it. So, I was very, very honored to see that I had an alert, and Mr. Jeff Horchoff was following me on the YouTube, and I couldn't ask for something cooler than to have that happen. So, Jeff, I thank you. I appreciate it. So I hope that y'all get a good view here. I did throw on some pollen patties a couple weeks ago. There's the bees. I threw on some pollen patties a couple weeks ago. They're going through them. Looks like everyone's going good, but this queen in this hive was laying a couple of weeks ago, and so it made me want to come see if I had brood out, hatching out, because it's been 3 weeks ago that I found them. Now see, they're starting to get grouchy already. I ain't gonna smoke them today. I ain't smoking bees, so I'm gonna throw on these gloves because I don't know if they've got something on there that I don't like, if they don't like here. But, alright, so anyway, here we go. We're just gonna pull this off here. Look at them. Look at how grouchy they are. Man, they are grouchy little bees. I'm going to have to pause this thing up and go fire up my smoker. Smoke these guys because they are not happy. Alright, so here we go. We're back on. I had to go get the smoker because I just barely touched these guys and they're already just hounding me like crazy. So we're going to settle them down, give them a little smoke up in here. Look at them. They are mean. I might have to pinch this queen this year because these bees are being grouchy. Grouchy bees. And I move slow with these guys too. They've just have turned off to be kind of grouchy little suckers. So anyway, we're going to pop a couple of frames out here. See how everybody's doing. Heavy frame. Got a little bee on me. It's got pollen all over it. That's just a honey frame right here. Straight honey frame. You guys can see it. I do have my other coat with me. I have my suit with me, and usually I don't need it with these guys, but look at here, they're starting to draw out some comb already from the ear here. That's a good sign. These guys got started early, like I said. This queen
I was really excited about, because she started laying 3 weeks ago even. I think on my last video when I showed you that I had moved the bee yard around, you could see her. Look at, here they go again now. Getting feisty. Lots of pollen. I see lots of pollen coming in with these guys. Look at them all right here. Coming in. That's a pretty frame. So the other thing I'm going to look for today is I would like to hopefully start seeing some drones around, or some drone comb, because that will let me know too that I can start doing some splits. I'd like to start some splits fairly soon. Find Her Highness and see where she is. Grouchy little bees, man. They are. Alright, here we go. Next frame. Lots of pollen. All these bees that are over to the left of the camera here that are flying, coming in, all of them have pollen on them. Covered in it. This is all nectar, I mean. Look at them packing. They're just packing the pollen in. Can you see all that pollen right there that they're packing in on this frame? They're just packing the pollen in here. I don't see my queen, and I don't see any brood on this frame. So we're going to run to the next one here. Watch out, bro. I think I'm going to find Her Highness up here. Eggs everywhere, eggs. That's all we got is eggs. This whole frame right here is full of eggs. And this queen has got to be close in here. If there's this many eggs right here, she's got to be right here close. Where I'm looking for eggs, every one of these. Oh, here she goes. Here's my girl. I haven't seen her this year. She's right there. Can you all see her right there? Right at the tip of my hive tool. Big old beautiful queen right here. She's laying eggs, and every single one of these cells has eggs in it. She's looking right now for one, for a place to lay. I'll get out of the way of these guys. They're trying to bring in all this pollen in my way. Right there she is, right there. Beautiful, beautiful queen. And this is the queen that I always called Jabba, like Jabba the Hutt, because she's just slow. She just slow, poke around. She doesn't have any hurry to her one bit whatsoever at all. She's not in any hurry ever. And she's a great big old fat queen, and I think she's old, but she is a laying machine. I'd like to move her. I'd like to move her up this way. I like her in the center, in the front of the frame there. I'm gonna drop that frame in because I don't want to squish her. Come on, babe. Full of eggs. The whole thing is just full of eggs. Alright, going down real easy here. Real nice and easy. I'm gonna pull one more frame. This frame got a lot of bees on it. This was the frame that had all the brood on it the last time. We want to see how the brood is doing in here. So I'm going to gently lift this one out. And take a look at it. Here, look at here. Look at here. It's March 30th in North Idaho, growing zone 5 or 6. And look at the capped brood on these frames. She's been laying for 3 weeks already. This queen is a stud. Stud. I don't see any furry face little bees. They'll be hatching soon. There's every single stage of brood and larva and eggs on these frames right now. There's fresh bees, I see them. I don't see drone comb yet. We ain't got drones yet, but we got a big force coming on now. So that's good. All right, we slowly dropping this one back in. We're gonna call it good. That's nice to see that queen laying like she is. That's amazing. Look these bees up on me. So again, this is the lazy hive, to where you guys in the south, you know, Jeff, you Mr. Ed, and Yappy, and old Dirt Rooster 628. I watch all you guys, and you guys got it made, man, being down there in the south when you guys got such good warm weather all the time, to where, you know, our bees up here, maybe we're lucky to get them to be out of the hive, like for the 5 or 6 months maybe that they got. You know, I'm like in the same growing season as old Jim up there from Vino as well. Like same thing, just short seasons, long cold winters. You know, we were sub-zero winter for a while this winter, and it's hard on bees. You really got to nurse them. You really got to make love your bees and love your job, and do what you can to make them survive. You know, that's why the insulation on here, and it's probably about time to take it off, but you know, it's something that you do because you love the hobby, and in no way, shape, or form a pro at this or a commercial guy, just a hobbyist, and I love it. I love this hobby. I love doing it with my little girl. It's something fun for us to do together. She didn't come out today. She wanted to stay with Mama. And if you know, some of you know, some of you don't know, that Mama's going through a little bout of breast cancer right now, and so I've got a hive that I'm building right now. It's a queen castle, and I'm gonna name it the Brittany is my wife's name, and I'm gonna name it after her. It's gonna be called the Brittany, and it's gonna be my little queen castle for raising new hives, because she's a survivor, and up here we're making survivor hives, and so I'm excited about this hive, you guys. This hive is looking really good. It's a good, strong hive, so we're going to put it back together, and I'm going to call everything good here. I still got the Vivaldi board on. It probably won't be on for much longer, but hey, I appreciate you guys for watching, checking out the videos. Hit me a like, a subscribe. And yeah, look at these happy bees bringing in this pollen right here. You can see all this pollen coming in here. Beautiful stuff. Hey, I'm so excited about this hive. Hey, love you. Thanks for watching Neen's Bees today. I appreciate it. And God bless you. And best of luck in your hobby and with your bees.